This video provides an overview of the basic project setup wizard. Please note the information in this video comes from our test server. These are not live projects and are presented for demonstration or training purposes only. To access the project setup, click Project Input/Setup in the left-hand menu to reveal additional options. Select Basic Project Setup and the page will load. Enter at least the first 7 digits of the Financial Management or FM number and click Load. The page will refresh and includes the work program project description or project name in the text area. We will discuss this further in just a moment. Associate or relate a project to another project in SWEPT by entering an FM number in the appropriate field. If applicable, enter an ETDM project number in the available field to associate it with the SWEPT project. As previously stated, the project name is displayed here. If the name is incorrect, it must be updated in Work Program. Updates in Work Program generally reflect in SWEPT the following day. Please note, fields highlighted in red indicate they are required to be completed prior to moving to the next page. Let's set up a Type 2 categorical exclusion or Type 2 CE for this demonstration. As a selection has been made, the Class of Action or COA field is no longer highlighted in red. After selecting the COA, the Local Agency Program or LAP option appears. Use the drop-down to select Yes or No. Use the radio button options to indicate if an Interchange Access Request or IAR is required for this project. Click Next to advance to the next page. Let's collapse the left-hand menu to provide for more space. In the upper right of the page, there is now a Table of Contents or TOC. Quickly jump to a page by clicking a page link in the TOC. In the project description text area, enter a brief description of the project consisting of 1 to 2 paragraphs. Provide the project limits. Use the radio button options to indicate if the project contains federal funding. If there is a project website, enter the web address in the field provided and click Add. The buttons at the bottom of the page provide the opportunity to return to the previous page or save and continue to the next page. If you are setting this project up to complete a reevaluation on a previously approved environmental document, select the Yes radio button. Answering No will reveal an additional question pertaining to Section 4F involvement with the project. If there is Section 4F involvement on the project, selecting Yes will reveal one more question. Use the radio buttons to select the appropriate response to if individual Section 4F is anticipated. Advance to the next page by clicking Save and Continue. From the Project Team page, select who edits and maintains the SWEPT project record. Using the text field, enter a name to add a project manager or PM. Only one PM can be assigned to the project. Multiple individuals can be added to make changes to the project file. Once their name is added, it will appear below the text field. Click the gray X icon to remove a user from the project. Prior to completing the Interagency Involvement page, let's skip ahead to the Save page. The Save page highlights what information has not yet been completed. You can click the link in the Check for Completeness section to return to that page or the link in the TOC. Clicking back will take you to the previous page. Let's click the Interagency Involvement link so we can complete the missing information. Use the drop-down to select the lead agency. Multiple cooperating or participating agencies can be added by using the text field. Once the agency is added, it will appear below the text field. Click Save and Continue. Now that we have filled out the information, click Finish and the project details page will load. I hope you found the demonstration helpful. As I pointed out, you can find detailed videos and guidance in the left-hand menu under Help. If you do not have access to SWEPT, you can find the videos on the OEM website located at the address shown on the screen. This training supports the Department's Project Development and Environment, or PD&E manual. You can find the manual on the OEM website shown on the screen. Please feel free to contact OEM if you have additional questions. For assistance using SWEPT, please contact our OEM help desk. Thank you.